Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your number on a SportyBet, and I'll actually first show you what happens if you come to the top right once you're logged in. You click on my account, and if you try to come here to my account info, you'll see your phone number, and as you can see it is actually grayed out, so you cannot change it and then click here on save. What you need to do is just scroll all the way down. You will see their contact options. So this is their phone number right here. You can call them, or you can also email them here on this email address. Now, depending on your country, this will be different, right? You just go ahead and email them or call them and let them know that you would like to change your phone number. They'll verify that it's actually you doing that. And then once they have verified that, then they'll go ahead and guide you further on how to go about that. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.